In this video, you will master countable expressions or CTEs using the with clause. We will cover what a CTE is, when to use it and how it works. And later, I'll show you real-world practical examples in PG admin so you will know exactly how to apply it in your own SQL projects. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and hit the like button. It's a small click for you, but that means a lot to us. Let's first understand the fundamentals of CTEs. What is a CTE in SQL? A CTE means countable expression. It is like a temporary table. We write it inside a query and we can use it again in the same query. It helps us write queries in a simple way. Why do we use a CTE? We use CTE because it makes our query easy to read. It also helps to organize when the query is too complex. In some cases, it can even give better performance than writing many subqueries. So the question is when to use CTE. We use CTE when our query is too long or confusing. Also, when we need the same result many times inside one query. Instead of writing it again, we can put it in a CTE. And finally, when we want our SQL code to look clean and simple, a CTE is the best choice. Let's focus on practical example. We will use orders table. For that example, let's quickly look at it. It contains order ID, created date column, item ID, etc. First, let's understand the syntax of a CTE. First, you need to write with keyword to start the CTE. Then you need to write CTE name. I will write CTE name to give you better intuition. To bind name to the inner query, you need to write S keyword. After that, you need to write parentheses, and inside parentheses, you will write your inner query that produces the temporary result. The CTE is completed. Finally, we select the results that we need from this CTE. We use this CTE just like a table in the main query because CTE is a temporary table that we create. Let's comment this part as syntax. Now that's the syntax you need to remember when writing CTEs. Now I will show you practical use case of CTE. We will count orders per item and read that result. Inside this CTE, we will select item ID from this orders table. And alongside that, we'll use count function to count total orders for that item ID. Okay, so I will place a line between examples so you won't be confused. As you know, we will use with keyword to start the CTE. Then the CTE name, let's name it product orders. After that, we will write S keyword and two parentheses. Inside two parentheses, we will write the select statement. So select item ID from orders table. Then count star to count total orders. Count star as total orders. We are selecting it from orders table, so we'll write from orders. Finally, we'll group it by item ID because we want total orders for each item ID. Also, if you're using aggregate function like count, you need to use group by clause. The CTE is finally completed. Now we will select the results from this CTE product orders. So select star from product orders. Product orders is now a temporary table. Instead of star, you can also write item ID and total orders. Let's run the whole code to see its result. You can see it returns item ID and their total orders. Hence proved CTE is now working like a temporary table for us. That's an example of a single CTE. If you want to use double or triple CTEs, how would you do that? So let's copy paste the same code and write the second CTE in this code. I'll place a line between the examples so you won't be confused. So let's paste the single city code. If you want to create a second city, you don't need to again write with keyword. You can start again by just writing its name as keyword and parentheses. Just you need to write a comma between cities. So let's write a comma here. Multiple cities must be separated by a comma. We are selecting total orders from the previous city product orders. So we will name this city as all orders. And then you need to write as keyword, as you know, and then parentheses. Inside that city, we will select total item ordered from a product order city or temporary table. So select a sum of total orders, the total orders column from product orders table, and we'll name it as total item ordered. We are selecting it from product orders, so we'll write from product orders. The second city is completed. Now instead of select all from product orders, we'll write select all from all orders city or temporary table. Now let's run the whole code to see its output. Now you can see it returns the total item orders 521. All orders city gets total item ordered from product order city or temporary table. Then we use select all from all orders. CTE makes SQL readable and testable. We wrote one city, then extend to two with a comma and reference the first inside the second. Try this sample in your PG admin. If you want a deeper CTE video, tell me in the comments and subscribe for more SQL case studies.